Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or backpack? The Apple AirTag 4-pack is here to save the day. This tiny device offers ultimate peace of mind, ensuring you can always locate your most precious items with incredible ease. What makes AirTag truly special is its precision finding capability, utilizing Ultra Wideband technology to guide you directly to your item. Imagine seeing an arrow on your iPhone screen pointing the exact direction and distance to your lost item. It's like magic. Setting up your AirTag is incredibly simple. A one-tap process connects it instantly to your iPhone, integrating seamlessly into your Apple ecosystem. And don't worry about everyday mishaps. The AirTag is IP67 water and dust resistant, built to withstand splashes and adventures. If you're ready to upgrade your tracking game, check out the best Bluetooth tracker on the market. Grab your 4-pack now via the Amazon link below. Unlike generic trackers, the AirTag leverages Apple's vast Find My network, meaning billions of Apple devices can help locate your item, even far away. For anyone considering buying an AirTag, this 4-pack offers incredible value to secure multiple important items. Seriously, the Apple AirTag is a game changer for finding valuables, making it an absolute must-have gadget for 2025 and beyond.